Hey guys, Monty with Kai Zinc. Improving an improvement that had been made to washing out our trough. Normally we would just put them in here. This is the state that they come out of, come off the Unicoat after getting most of the heavy emulsion out. And then we'd come over here and we would just simply hit main. And main is how we wash out screens, which is only, I believe, 4 passes. So what we did was we set a recipe right here, and you can go up to the very top and hold down Trough, and now it's gonna run 9 passes. It's gonna run 9 passes to alleviate having to keep coming over and keep from coming over and having to keep hitting main. And now we get a nice clean trough, so we don't have to keep restarting the cycle. It'll just run it until it's clean. Thanks.